Just testing out the soldering job on this DR8. Yeah, I got some XT90s. Well, just one XT90 plug. Yeah, I got rid of the Dean's plugs, put one XT90 plug on the HPI Savage Flux ESC in it, the Flux ESC. So yeah, so you could just run one single battery. So see how the soldering job holds up, man. I couldn't get the what you call it, the cap on. My iron's a bit knackered. It's not very powerful, my iron. You know what I mean? So yeah. Hope it holds up, man. Yeah, I got 6S in it, man. Oh. Oh. Tumble, man. I managed to put the ball back in. The ball back into the arm. Hopefully it'll hold up, man, you know what I mean? The arm didn't split or nothing. So yeah, at least the arm's still in there. Grass is thick, man. Grass is long. The rattling, I think that's the body rattling, man. So yeah, that's just a Centum body I put on it, man. You know what I mean? I've put all kinds of different bodies on this car, man. All kinds of different bodies on it. So yeah, obviously got rid of the stock body. I thought the stock body looks a bit kiddie-ish, man. It makes it look like a toy grade, the stock body. So I got rid of it from day one, innit? You know what I mean? Yeah, I put my own bodies on it, man. So the plugs, the XT90 plugs seem to be holding up. Oh! Nearly crashed into that tree, man. Well, it's hit the side. Car hit the side of the tree. Yeah, 6S, this thing's wild, man. I think I've only got a 12-tooth pinion in it as well. The body, shit. split down the body, man. Jeez. As I say, I've got other bodies, you know what I mean? Still got the grey body. Yeah, it's rubbing, man. It's rubbing. Shame I ain't got no scissors. I should have brought some scissors out, man. It's rubbing. Yeah, big split down there. Lost body pins. It won't self right. I lost body pins, man. Jeez, I ain't brought no body pins out with me. I might have body pin. It was self right otherwise. Shit, the body's all battered, man. Yeah, I lost two body pins at the front. I just put a block in the front because there's a big gap in it. I think with this Senton body, I was experimenting on other cars. I think I had it on the Hyper, my Hyper body, my Hyper buggy at one stage, but I sold that car in it. But yeah, that's why I cut the front, and the front of the body's all chopped up. It's chopped, so there's a gap in it. So you know what I mean. I just put a what do you call it? See if I got body pins, man, in my bag. Yeah, I put a block at the front to kind of make up for the gap, the big gap at the front of the car. So I don't know if I got body pins, man. Shit. XT90s seem to be holding up so far. Anyway, the plug seems to be holding up. Yeah, this body's only temporary anyway. As you can see, big split down it, man. I've got any body pins in my bag. One of these tubings. Shit. Maybe not. I've left it at home. I've left the pins at home, man. Shit. Pins at home. I've left the casing, the tubing at home. No, I ain't got no pins on me. That's a bummer. Shame about the lost body pins. I've got some small 10 scale body pins. Don't know if they'll hold for a couple of jumps. Or I can swap. I've still got 2 body pins at the back. I can always kind of cross one over at the front. But I've got some 10 scale body pins, yeah. Stuck them on. Let's carry on, man. Fuck it. Yeah, body's all fucked. Body's fucked, man. fuck was that? Something broke off. Oh, the front. This, the block. Two mobile phone blocks. I stuck at the front there, innit? You can see the gap in it, you know what I mean? I put the block there, it's fucked. It's come out, fuck it, man. Battery's near enough done on this, so this body's getting a trashing. Fuck. Yeah, body's getting a trashing, man. The car's working, the body's trashed. At least the XT90 plugs are still. Hang on, what's happened? Yeah, I think I have. Shit. Yeah. Shock tower's broken, innit? If that's all that's broken, this thing took a. Ah? Well, this one, I bought this one, but it's been converted. It's been converted, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, yeah. Huh? Yeah, it is, you know what I mean? Broke the shot tower though. The shot tower screws, so that's the end of that, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it's an expensive hobby, man. It's expensive, you know what I mean? When it breaks, parts and stuff, you have to buy parts and... Yeah, shot tower. Yeah, well, if that... I think just the screw popped out, man. I lost the, what you call it? The nut just popped out, that's it. You know what I mean? The nuts on that side, you can see the nut there. The nuts popped out, that's it. A bit of bendage on the shot tower. But yeah, that's about not too bad. But yeah, just lost the nut, man. So, you see, he won't drive. Unless I've lost the dog bone. No, the dog bone's still in there. You see, everything's all twisted up, I think. Is it? Let's see. Hang on a sec. The body on the car. See, it works, man. The shock tower, the shock screw broke, sorry, man. I keep saying shock tower. Yeah, the shock tower, a slight bend on the shock tower, but jeez, what the fuck happened there? Fucking runaway. Jeez, that's a runaway. Fuck. Let me unplug it, man. The ESC. ESC is blinking. Shit. Dog bone here. I'm not sure what happened there, man. Lost control of the car. Runaway. Runaway. It was a runaway. This body's fucked. Wheels were expanding like crazy. I'm surprised they didn't blow. Shit. Wires all disconnected. That's a light wire. The rear white wire. The rear light wire. I think everything's all right, man. Just the shocks, the rear shock towers. The shock end's broke. The shock end, this piece broke. That's all right. I think I've got parts at home. A nut come out the shock tower. The shock. Yeah, the nut come out of the shock. Fucking hell, it crashed into the fence. Luckily the fence is there, man, and it got a big tree, otherwise that would have landed in the road. You know what I mean? And if it hits someone, I'm fucked. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, man. Everything come disconnect. That's just a light wire, man. Yeah. So fucking hell. Pretty scary, man. The battery is the ESC come apart from the plate. Yeah, the ESC come apart from the plate. The battery is just lifted where it's crashed. It's slightly lifted, and this battery's hot, man. Fuck. Yeah, it's